Yeah. So, good evening everyone. Welcome to class 6 Physics IIT class. Hope you have remembered, yesterday also we have discussed, we have finished all the lesson content. Only worksheet is left. We have discussed reason, concept, fixing sheet also yesterday. Now let us do few more example questions here. Worksheet. If you have your IIT books, please open them. So here first one, they gave a circuit and they said that is it an open circuit or closed circuit. First, I am not going to draw the whole picture. This is the bulb, okay, and this is battery. Now, this is the plug. Is it an open circuit or closed circuit? It is an open circuit. Why? Because the switch is not closed here. When the switch is plug is closed, then it is called as closed circuit. If it is in this way, it is open circuit. This is the symbol of switches. When we have discussed switch symbol, we have come across this. And next, the symbol for the open switch is, so again same question. The symbol for the open switch is this one. Okay. Next. And what is the symbol for the closed switch? It is like this, or it is like this. These are the symbols for the closed circuit. Next, how can we represent the symbol of cell? What is the symbol of cell? I will give you options here. First one, minus, plus. Next one, plus, minus, and C1 is plus, minus. Which is the option here? Option C is a correct answer. First will be positive terminal and next will be negative terminal. Positive terminal will be having big line and negative will be having small line. Remember this. Okay. And the combination of 2 to 3 cells is called as battery. Next. Next, same as first question again. For fifth one, they have given a circuit here. Bulb, next battery, next is a switch. Is the circuit open or closed? This is a closed circuit because the switch is connected and the wire is put here in a correct form. Which part of the bulb is made up of an insulator material? Insulator, what do you mean by insulator? Which does not allow the electricity to pass through them. In the bulb, how many filaments do you have? First, tungsten, okay, 2 filaments, positive terminal, negative terminal and 1 filament. It is made up of tungsten. Tungsten is a conductor and you have down metal cap also. Yes or not? This is a bulb. This is a metal cap. Okay. We have 2 terminals here and in the middle we have 2 terminals extended to the filament. Okay. Which part is considered as insulator? The glass part, the above part, glass is yellow, that is considered as the insulator as glass cannot pass electricity through them. Remaining here metal cap will be passing, all the metals will be passing electricity and filaments also will be passing electricity as that metal with copper and the iron. Next, almost all the questions are same. The diagram below shows an incomplete circuit. Which item would allow the bulb to light up? So this is a circuit. Okay. This is A and this is B. This is an incomplete circuit. This is open circuit, right? Now you have to place an object in between which when the current will be flowing in the bulb blows them. Okay. First, a glass rod, a metal coil, a plastic cone, a paper cup. Which object if you place here, then the bulb will be glowing. Which object you have to place? Glass rod. Just now we have discussed in the bulb. Glass is insulator, it does not pass electricity. So electricity does not pass if you place glass rod here. Next, paper comb, plastic comb. Plastic is also insulator. Paper cup, paper is also insulator. Then what is the answer here? Metal coin. Okay, if you place a coin here, electricity passes. Okay. Next. So here, there is a diagram with a battery and a bulb. Okay. So here, from the battery to electric, it is connected into which energy? From chemical energy. Cell is having some chemicals in it. From chemical energy to what energy? Electrical energy. Okay. So here, chemical energy is converted into electrical energy, and this electrical energy is converted into which energy? Battery, chemical energy to what is this? Electrical energy, and this electrical energy is converted to which energy? Sound energy, light energy, heat energy, and chemical energy. Which energy, marks? It is giving light and heat as well, so it gives us light energy as well as heat energy. Next, in an electric circuit shown by the diagram of current is taken from, the direction of current is taken from. So this is the figure they have given. A, B, this is positive and this is negative, this will be switch. Okay. In which direction the electricity passes? And here, from positive to negative or from negative to positive? Which one? Switch 1 or switch 2? The current flows from the negative to the positive terminal. So it is from here to here. Okay. Next. Next questions. Ravi has connected two bulbs across two cells in a simple circuit. How can he make the bulbs dimmer? Dimmer means what happened? We have discussed regarding series and parallel. In series, more amount of cells you add, more brighter the bulb glows. Yes or not? If you want to dim the light, what we have to remove? What we have to remove? Either we have to add one more bulb, that means 2 cells, 3 bulbs, so that the light dims. Or else we can even remove one cell also, so that the light will be becomes dull. So here are different options. Replace one of the cells with a cork, replace one of the cells with a wire, replace one of the bulbs with a cork, replace one of the bulb with a wire. We have to replace here cells. We have to replace one of the cells with a wire. We cannot replace with a cork. Okay, cork is a insulator, so it does not pass electricity. So we have to replace it with the one more wire to make the circuit closed. Okay. Next. Pooja makes a simple circuit with one bulb and 5 cells. Remember here, one bulb, 5 cells, simple circuit. The bulb lights for an instant and then goes out. It happens because I have said you already. I have given example in the yesterday's class also. 6 volts. What happens if you take the EMF power more than the bulb goes out. Yes or not? Here also same. The conditions are electricity could not flow through the circuit no electricity flows, but why it breaks? Too much electricity passing through the bulb filament. Yes, to the filament it has a capacity only for the 5 volts, but she has given more amount of electricity. That is the reason bulb has gone out. Okay, everything is correct still. Suppose you are a scientist and you have to make a satellite to send it into orbit in outer space. Which of these will you use as a source of power in the satellite? In the satellite, which power is used there? Dry cell you will use, car battery, solar cell, button cell. Which cell you will be using? We have to use the solar cells, where cells can be regained again by using solar power. And even you can use dry cells also, but due to sun's heat it may, what we say, the chemical may finish very fast, the chemical may dry up. We have to use solar cells. When will we get electric shock from the electric current? When electric bulb will be fused due to break-in filament. When do you get shock? Okay, when electric bulb will be fused due to break-in filament. In the bulb it is going on. Okay, when terminals will be wrongly connected with each other, when battery or cell used with completely drained, when we will touch bare wires with bare hands used in the circuit. When we touch it with the hands in the circuit. Okay, when we touch our hands in the circuit, we will get shock. That is the reason we have to take an insulator and wires should be easily covered. Okay, hope all the covered questions are covered. Mostly they are diagrams and even pattern, all those switches regarding all those things, flow of current. Okay, so the next class will be starting on next lesson, third lesson. Till now, till here, please prepare well. Again, very soon you will be having your exam. Okay, thank you.